This video is tasked for MPU 3122.
We are going to represent the university education versus entering the work phase.
Let's go.
Without realizing it, we have already finished SPM, Hazim.
Yeah, I very sure about it. I cannot stop thinking about money, Johari.
Yes, me too.
Finally, school is over. I can't still thinking about money. I want very lot of money. I want to start working from now after SPM.
Working already, Hazim, but you are only 18. Don't you want to continue your studies?
Sure, university take years and it's expensive. If I working from now, I can collect very lot of money and gain more experience. It can make can become a millionaire.
But Hazim, without degree, many doors will stay closed. University will provide us knowledge, qualification, and others benefit that will be useful for us.
That is not true, Zohairi. You look nowadays, very many influencer entrepreneur that they did not finish their university and they only have a SPM. They can become a millionaire influencer and become a famous in social media, and they also get more money than a study at university. That is not true, Zohairi. From now, I want to working, and I want to working from now and gain more experience to get money.
Yeah, I think so. In my opinion, I think we should meet Mr. Amru to ask about this. What do you think, Hazib?
I think we must meet him because I so confused. If you say about a degree life better than a working life after SPM, I very confused about it. But I want to work after SPM.
Yeah, me too. So
Let's go now together.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum, Mr. Amru.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Zuhairi and Azim.
Can we sit here?
Can. I hear your both of you have a different plan for the future. Can you guys tell me more?
Yes, we are confusing about our future plan because I want to work and he think about future to make a degree life. That is our problem, Mr. Amru.
Oh,
I want to further my studies at university because I want to be a doctor. Without higher education, it is impossible for me to achieve my my ambition.
And I, Mr. Amru, I think I want to enter the work first because experience is more valuable than book. Why I can start 4 years at university from now, that I can make more experience than university life, because from there I can get a more experience that can make me become a millionaire one day.
I think both of you have valid point. Zuhairi, university does provide a foundation for specialist careers. Hazim, working early build independence and practical skill. The question is, what kind of future do you both imagine for yourself?
That's a good opinion from you, Mr. Amru. We think that is can help me to get a better future plans in our future. Thank you for your opinion.
Thanks, Mr. Amru.
See you later. Zuhairi, you know, Zuhairi, maybe you are right that some job needs a degree lesson to do, such as you want to become a doctor one day, need a degree also. I think my opinion working early also have a learning, we can learn early from the degree education. That's all.
From my point of view, I think that experience are important too. We cannot rely on the books totally. That's why I think you want to get a job is not a bad idea. So I think both of us know how to plan our future. So I think that's all from me.
See you in 4 years,
Yeah.
Zuhairi.
See you later, Azim.
Good luck in your future plans.
Good luck too.
Bye.
First day after SPM, this is me. What about Hazimah? I think I should call him.
Hello, Zuhairi.
Hello, Hazim. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Zuhairi.
I hope you are in a peak of health. The reason I call you is because I want to ask you about your plans after the SPM. You had told me that you want to find a job. Did you find any job that you want to do?
I also uh, find a job vacancy at Medisocial, and I got some job vacancy that offer to me that I will be go there later.
For me, later I want to apply a few scholarship to further my studies, and I also want to fill the UPU system to get into the university that I want. I hope both of us can achieve what we want. That's all from me. Goodbye.
Oh, your idea is good. How you want to apply scholarship and your further study in a UPU website. I hope you doing doing a great decision that will make you become a doctor one day. Please pray for me to get a better job uh, in after this. Thank you, Zuhairi. See you later.
What course should I choose? I think I should choose engineering or medical. I think I will proceed with medical because I want to be a doctor. Submit. Done. I hope I got what I want.
Wow, so many job ads. Let's see. Retail assistant, 3,000 to 4,000 per month. Oh, sounds good. But night shift too. That might be tough. Okay, let's see next. IT support trainer, 2,000. Interesting. I like computer, but I do even have enough skill for this. What if I fail? It's not easy. I want a job with a good pay, but also something I can learn from. I don't want to waste time just working without a future. Okay, I just apply. If they accept me, great. If not, I still experience. At least I'm trying. Yeah, finishing SPM is not the end. I just the beginning, and this is my first step. I will be do better. Wow, what is this? We are hiring after SPM. Job vacancy. Call. I must try it. I hope I will accept it when I try it. I must contact this. Yeah. I think I will accept it. I mean,
Today is CPU result. I hope that I got medical course. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, finally, I can pursue my study to become a doctor. Alhamdulillah, I should tell Mr. Amru and Hazim about this. I will call them later.
I want to go to bedroom. What is this? Mr. Hazim? Who sent this? I must say, what is this? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Hazim. Congrats, you have been accepted. Wah, I will be accepted. I must tell Zuhairi and Mr. Amru. They will happy for this result. Where's my phone?
Assalamualaikum, Mr. Amru.
Today is UPU result. How about Zuhairi and Haji Rizal? Zuhairi call me. Waalaikumsalam Zuhairi. Why did you call me?
I call you just to tell you that I have got the UPU result.
Oh, today is GPU result. How about your result?
Alhamdulillah, I got a medical course in USM.
Wow, congratulations for the UPU result.
Thank you, sir, for your advices and your opinion about my journey after the SPM.
You're welcome. That is my job to help you.
I hope that I can uh, become a doctor for the future. Thanks, sir, for your advices and your opinion. Hope to see you later.
Yes, Zahiri, you're welcome. I hope you can achieve your goal to become a doctor.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I think I should call Hazim too to tell him about this.
Zuhairi, I must tell him about this. Wah, he called me first. Hello Zuhairi.
Hello, Hazim. How are you? Do you know that today is UPU result, right? So, how's about your UPU result?
Huh? UPU? Your UPU have been accepted? Your scholarship? Oh, congrats. I'll also get accepted for my work. I get workshop work. I will happy about this. Congrats to you about your UPU result. I must tell Mr. Amru too about this. I hope you more successful in UPU.
I just want to tell you that I have got my UPU result, and Alhamdulillah, I had a chance to pursue my study at USM in medical course.
What? Medic course? Wah, you will be doctor one day. I will support you. Yeah. I must tell Mr. Amru about this. We can tell together about our result. Congrats for you about your UPU result.
I just want to thank you about your opinions that you give me, and yeah, I hope you can be success in your way. I think we should meet later. Hope to see you, bro. Bye. I think I should celebrate this with my parents.
I must tell Mr. Amru too about my I have been accepted for this work. Hello, Mr. Amru.
Wow, Hazim called me. Hello, Hazim.
I want to tell you, because I have been accepted to work at workshop.
Wow, congratulations, Hazim, for the offer.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Amru, for your support, for your opinion. I will do my best for this job.
You're welcome, Hazim. That is my responsibility.
Did Zuhairi tell you about his UPU result, he also get a medic course that he want to be a doctor one day.
Yes, Zairi have told me about his UPU result.
Yeah, that's a very good advice from you. I hope one day I will be a successful person and become a millionaire one day. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Amru, for your advice. Thank you.
No problem, Azim. Good luck in your journey, Azim. Okay, bye-bye.
I hope I will do better for this work and become a millionaire one day. Amin.
My first day at university. Whew. Okay, dah.
Finally, the last one. $10 already. I must go home now. Finally, after 4 years, I have my own workshop from zero to hero. If I go to university, maybe I don't have my workshop already. I must go to some cafe to take some rest and get some coffee.
So, Mr. Afiq, what is your problem?
I get a fever, doctor.
Oh, I see. Let me check. Oh, you have a high degree of temperature. Okay, I will give you a medicine after this.
Thank you, doctor.
What a long day today. I have a little bit of a headache.
Two of my students. How about them? One of them, he always dream big. Medicine, healing people. Even back in school, he carried books heavier than himself and a head large than life. I heard he made it into medical school after SPM. I am proud, but no, the road won't be easy. long nights and less exam. The way of responsibility. I just hope he remember to take care of himself too. While he's learning to care for other. And then the other one, not the type who love textbook, but his hand were always skilled. Engine, tool, machine, he could bring life back to the thing that other took were broken. He chose the workshop after SPM. Some people might see that as less, but not me. He's building and harness life, turning passion into work. The world needs doctor, yes, but it also needs hand that can fit, repair and create. Two paths so different, yes. Both are meaningful, both are brave. Sometimes I wonder if they know how often I think of them. A teacher never really stops being a teacher, even after the classroom is empty. Our head remain full of the futures our student carry. I hope no. I believe that's whenever they are writing their own story, making their own mark, and I will always be here, quietly cheering them on. Never mind. Better come take a order. Better.
Nice. So when I throw, whoosh, so nice this pana.
Sorry.
Zahiri,
Hazim?
since we SPM, we never meet together.
Yeah, long time no see.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This is how about your life?
I'm good. I have achieved my goals to become a doctor. How about yours?
I also have my own workshop. Are you busy?
No, I'm not really busy right now.
Can we go to the some cafe and take some meal and coffee and share our life after 4 years?
Yes, of course.
We don't meet. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Let's go.
Let's go. Look there. Is that Mr. Amru?
Yes, I think it's him.
Mr. Amru. Nice to meet you, Mr. Amru.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Can we sit here?
Can.
Mr. Amru, is that really you? You look very young. Since 4 years we did not meet, you still look young. Is that really you?
Really.
Yeah.
Hey, Hazim, my boy. Look at you. You grown into a man. Tell me everything.
Yeah. You know, life been busy after SPM. I went straight to the workshop. At first, They only let me sweep the floor, wash greasy tool, change tire. It's very tired, you know. I thought about quitting. I'm very fed up. But I'm not giving up. Then, they taught me engines, wiring, negotiation with suppliers, handling angry customers. Now, I'm supervising a small team. Some even call me Boss Hazim.
Boss Hazim? Really? I'm not surprised. You always had a gift. You turned it into a life.
But it was not easy. So, once I installed a part only, when the customer screamed at me in front of everyone, I was very shy. I was down. I lost a month's pay to feed it. I want to run away, but I didn't. I not give up. I learned the world outside doesn't forgive mistake like school does.
And yet you stayed. That's how men are forget. To thought fire, not comfort. How about you, Zairi?
For me, my life after SPM, just not like others normal students. Right after SPM, I took the bold step of enrolling in a foundation in science. I knew it was the first stepping stone towards entering medical school. Many of my friends went into different paths. Some joined engineering, some started business course, and others even started working. It was tempting to choose something easier or faster, but I reminded myself that medicine is a lifelong commitment, and this was the journey I wanted to take. The foundation year was challenging. The subjects were demanding, the pace was fast, and the expectations were much higher compared to school. At times, I felt overwhelmed. There were late nights of studying, countless exams, and the constant pressure of maintaining good results to qualify for medicine. But I also realized that every small step, every chapter I studied was bringing me closer to my dream. Of course, the road was not smooth. There were many moments of doubt. There were times when I asked myself, am I good enough? Can I really handle this? The pressure sometimes felt too heavy. I saw friends struggling, and I too feel like giving up at certain points. But I reminded myself why I wanted this is in the first place. I remembered the doctors I had seen in the hospitals, the way they comforted families, the way they stood strong even in difficult situations. I thought how meaningful it would be in their shoes one day, saving life and offering hope. Slowly, I learned how to manage stress. I learned that being a doctor isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about resilience, discipline, and heart. Every challenge I have faced shaped me to be stronger, more patient, and more determined. One thing that I kept me going was my support system. My family believed in me, even when I doubt myself. My teachers guided me and reminded me that medicine is not just about intelligence, but also about attitude and perseverance. My friends encouraged me, and we supported one another through late night study sessions and endless assignments. I realized that once succeed alone, behind every student who makes it into medicine, there are people who believe in them, push them, and remind them of their potential. I am grateful to have that support, because without it, I might not be standing here today, still holding on this dream. Now, as I continue my journey into medicine, I know this is still only the beginning. The road ahead will be even taller. There will be long hours in hospital, countless patients to treat, and many more sacrifices to make. But I welcome those challenges, because I know every effort will bring me closer to becoming the kind of doctor I dream of being. For me, being a doctor is not just about curing disease, it's about giving me hope. It's about touching life. It's about being there for people in their most difficult moments. That is the kind of doctor I wanted to be, one who serves with knowledge, skill and compassion. My journey from finishing SPM to studying medicine has taught me one important lesson. Success is never instant. It takes patience, hard work and sacrifice. But with patience and determination, nothing is impossible. And so I will keep moving forward, step by step, day by day, until I finally achieve my dream of becoming a doctor, and using that dream not just for myself, but for the people whose life I will one day touch. That is my journey after SPM, Mr. Amru.
Wow. Congratulations, Hazim and Zuhairi. I happy for you all.
Hahaha. What a long journey, Zuhairi. And at school you scold me for not studying hard enough. Look at you now suffering. But it's a big responsible to take a job as a doctor.
Yes, karma I guess. But still, I can't give up. Without this degree, I'm nothing. No one will trust me as a doctor if I don't have the papers.
But at least you have a degree. I've been earning since day one. But some jobs will not even look at me without a diploma, degree, some another achievement. But I may run a workshop team but to the world that I'm just another mechanic. Sometimes I feel stuck.
And me, I have the paper, but not the money, not the freedom. I still depend on scholarship, my parents. Hazim, I invite your independence.
Do you both see the irony? Hazim, you envy him paper. Zuhairi, you envy his freedom. 4 years ago, you argue in my office. Tonight you argue again, but from the other side. Is that interesting? Listen to me, Hazim. You have experience most graduate would beg for. Your face real word fire, but without some formal knowledge, certain door will remain shut. And your Zuhairi, you have knowledge that can save life, but without real work, grit your hand will tremble when theory meets reality. Education sharpens the mind, experience handle the spirit. Alone each life you have prepared. Together they make a complete person.
So maybe I should take part-time course, even it's just a diploma. It could open those locked door for me. I think I will start to take some part-time course like a diploma and some to improve myself and get many opens door to accept me if I stop from being a mechanic. After we speak our future, where is our coffee, Mr. Amru? Wait, this cafe, the service is so bad, Mr. Amru.
Yeah, this cafe is so slow.
4 years ago, I swear you were wrong, Zuhairi.
And I swore you were too, but maybe we were both right and both wrong.
To grow, to balance, and to the future.
To the future.
To the future.
Where is our coffee?
Ish. Betul.
Bye, Mr. Amru.
Bye, Azim and Zuhairi.
Hope you get a one wife, extra wife. Bye.